The 2 Tires Guide to the Pirelli Scorpion Trail 3. Pirelli Scorpion Trail is an adventure bike tire, but don't let the trail name confuse you. While you could ride these down a light dry trail, as you could on pretty much any tire, they're not designed to tackle the muddy stuff. In fact, the Scorpion Trail 2 is one of the sportiest tires you can fit to your adventure bike, and Pirelli have promised improved handling and better wet weather grip for their new Trail 3. The Trail 3 will be available in 19 and 21-inch fronts and 17 and 18-inch rears, covering a wide range of mid to large adventure and trail bikes. We recommend the current Trail 2 to any adventure bike rider who wants sportier road handling. So if you ride a KTM Adventure R with a 21-inch front wheel and you want to reduce the front end's vague feel on the road, a tire like the Scorpion Trail 3 is well worth a look. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tire on our website. Just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.